Whether you're a new teacher gearing up for your very first Meet the Teacher Night or just looking to refine your approach, you're in the right place. Meet the Teacher Night is a crucial event where you'll get to meet your new students and their families. It's an opportunity to introduce yourself, showcase your classroom, share your teaching philosophy, and foster a positive relationship with parents and guardians. In this video, I will walk you everything you need to know to make a great impression and to set the tone for the school year ahead. Let's get it.
Leap in learning.
Before Meet the Teacher Night, there are a few important things that you should plan for. Setting up your classroom, anticipating questions, giving and collecting information, and following up. Setting up your classroom for Meet the Teacher Night is an opportunity for you to create a warm and inviting atmosphere that reflects your personality and your teaching style. Start by choosing a cohesive theme or color scheme that ties everything together and makes your space look visually appealing. Consider at least having one bulletin board ready and your daily schedule posted. I want to go ahead and warn you that 10 times out of 10, your classroom will probably not be ready the way you would want it. You will not have any anchor charts or students' work displayed because this meeting will be before the first day of school. Posters, anchor charts, and other informative prints should be added after it is introduced to your students. I want to assure you that it is okay if you do not have all of your walls covered in bulletin board paper or if you're missing labels. Your Meet the Teacher Night will still be a success. Anticipating common questions from parents can help you confidently prepare for Meet the Teacher Night. Here are some common questions that you should be ready to address. Questions about your educational background, experience, daily schedule, teaching philosophy, ways of communication, assessments, and assignments. You can even have these questions already answered by creating an informational parent to give out to each parent. In addition to giving out information, make sure that you collect information as well. Have a sign-in sheet with the following columns: parent's guardian name, student's name, phone number, email address, how student will be getting home on the first day of school, and how they will be getting home during the rest of the school year. If you'd like to purchase a small gift for your new students, please note that student gifts are optional and that you being their new teacher is gift enough. After Meet the Teacher Night, use the collected contact information to thank parents for coming out. Express how you look forward to working with them to make sure that their student have a successful school year. You can also use this as an opportunity to answer the questions that you were unable to answer during Meet the Teacher Night. This demonstrates your commitment to open communication and your willingness to address any concerns that they may have. Your responsiveness will help build trust and reinforce that you are an approachable and supportive educator. I hope that you found these tips helpful as you prepare for your Meet the Teacher Night. Remember, this is a great opportunity for you to connect with your students and your parents and set the stage for a very great school year. If you've enjoyed this video, please leave a thumbs up and subscribe. Don't forget to share your experience and any additional tips down in the comments section. Until next time, I'll see y'all later. Bye.